Imagine this. Every single thought, every burst of energy, every craving, every feeling of calm or stress, you experience it because of an organ that weighs just about 3 pounds, the human brain. And yet this small organ consumes nearly 20% of all the energy your body produces every single day. 20%. That means 1/5 of everything you eat, everything you breathe in, and every calorie you burn is devoted to keeping your brain running. Today, we are exploring the role of the brain in promoting wellness and overall well-being. We will discover how your brain literally sculpts your reality, why stress is not just in your head, how habits hardwire your future health, and what you can do to optimize this powerhouse for vitality, balance, and joy. As you hear this, take a moment to notice your own energy right now. Are you alert, calm, or distracted? That state is your brain at work, my friends. The way your brain functions determines whether you thrive in wellness or struggle. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that the brain does not just control the body, it also responds to the way we live, our lifestyle, our nutrition, stress, relationships, even the way we breathe. Welcome to Wellness All Seasons with Mina podcast. It's a holistic approach to women's well-being. We explore how to embrace wellness in all aspects of our lives, regardless of the season we are in. Wellness All Seasons is for you if you are a busy woman looking for a healthier, happier, and more balanced life. I'm Mina Kandar. My mission is to provide you with actionable wellness strategies and practical tools to help you boost energy and feel vibrant in your daily life. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, join Wellness All Seasons community, and let's thrive together. My friends, grab your favorite cup of tea or smoothie, find a quiet space or go for a walk, and let's dive in. Let's talk about the brain as the control center. The brain is often called the command center. It manages everything: your heart rate, your hormones, your digestion, your emotions, your focus. Nothing happens in your wellness journey without the brain. For example, when you decide to go for a walk, your brain initiates the thought, sends signals to your muscles, regulates breathing, and even releases endorphins that boost your mood. The brain is involved in every single layer of your well-being. Pause here and think of one simple activity you did today, like making your coffee, tying your shoes, or sending a message. Now realize your brain orchestrated all of it. Isn't that extraordinary? Neuroscientists have found that the adult brain has about 86 billion neurons, each connecting to thousands of other neurons that creates trillions of connections. And these connections are constantly firing, rewiring, and adapting. This process is called neuroplasticity. Your brain's ability to change based on what you think, feel, and do. Consider this. What's one thought pattern or habit you would love to rewire if you knew your brain was capable of change? Hold that in your mind as we move forward. Now, let's talk about stress, the brain, and wellness. When your brain perceives a threat, whether it's a real danger or just an email from your boss, it activates the amygdala, your brain's alarm system. This triggers cortisol and adrenaline. Your heart races, your breathing quickens, and your body prepares for fight or flight. In short bursts, this stress response is healthy. But chronic stress keeps the alarm ringing, damaging neurons and weakening key brain regions. MRIs can reveal that people who practice mindfulness regularly show increased thickness in the prefrontal cortex, the very area that helps you make better decisions, manage emotions, and plan for your wellness goals. If you are listening while walking, pause for just 2 seconds and notice your surroundings. That tiny act of mindfulness is already rewiring your brain, my friends. Now, let's talk about nutrition and the gut-brain connection. The gut and the brain are in constant communication. About 90% of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, is produced in the gut. It's a lot. That means what you eat does not just affect your waistline, it literally shapes your mood, focus, and clarity. Think back to your last meal. Did it leave you energized or sluggish? That was your brain reacting to your food choices. Studies show that diets rich in whole foods, fiber, and omega-3s reduce the risk of depression and improve mental health. Here is a quick reflection. If you could add just one brain-friendly food to your meals this week, like blueberries, leafy greens, or salmon, what would it be? Picture yourself choosing it today. Sleep and the brain's night shift. When you sleep, your brain's lymphatic system acts like a cleaning crew, washing away toxins like beta amyloid, which is linked to Alzheimer's disease. Without deep sleep, this cleaning does not happen efficiently. Think about your last week of sleep. On nights you slept well, how did you feel the next morning? Compare that with nights you slept poorly. That difference is your brain showing you its needs. Sleep regulates memory, emotions, and decision making. Adults consistently sleeping less than 6 hours a night face higher risks of chronic illness. My friends, if you can, set an intention right now, one small change to improve your sleep this week. Maybe turning off screens earlier or going to bed 30 minutes sooner. Small changes add up. Here is another thing that is important in our well-being in a relationship with the brain, our habits. Every habit you repeat carves pathways in your brain. Neurons that fire together wire together. That's why brushing our teeth is automatic, and why stress eating or scrolling late at night can also become automatic. Take a moment. What's one habit that serves your wellness beautifully? Is it a daily walk? Drinking more water? Gratitude journaling? Celebrate that. It's proof that your brain can lock in the good. The hopeful truth is that it only takes about 2 months on average to form a new habit. Consistency sculpts your brain into supporting the life you want. So let me ask you a question. If you were to start today, what's one habit you would want your future self to thank you for 2 months from now? Hold that vision in your mind right now. My friends, let's bring in all together. So here is the thing. Your brain is the command center of wellness, shaping stress, cravings, sleep, focus, and habits. It's both the driver and the mirror of your lifestyle. As we close, take one last deep breath with me. Inhale. Exhale slowly. That was your brain responding to care in real time. When you nourish it with good food, rest it with quality sleep, calm it with mindfulness, and train it with healthy habits, you are not just improving your body, you are training your brain to create a life of harmony, vitality, and joy. The brain is not just an observer of wellness, it's the architect. And the beautiful truth is you hold the blueprint. Take care of your brain, and it will take care of you through every season of life. My friends, if you find value in this episode, please subscribe, like, comment, and share it with friends and colleagues who can benefit from it. Join Wellness All Seasons community and let's inspire each other. If you like this episode, you will like the next one. Your reviews on Apple Podcasts mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Take care and see you soon.